The global shipping industry moves 90% of everything you own. And right now, Africa needs thousands of certified seafarers. The opportunity is real, but most people don't know where to start. This video will change that. Welcome to IMT. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a maritime career in Africa in 2025. Step by step, no experience required. Africa's maritime sector is growing rapidly, creating countless job opportunities. The demand for skilled seafarers is at an all-time high. Countries like Nigeria, South Africa, and Kenya are investing in maritime education and infrastructure. If you act now, you can seize this chance to build a rewarding career. First, let's explore the basic requirements. Research maritime schools in your area. Look for accredited programs that offer degrees or certifications. Compare the courses and choose one that fits your interests. Make sure it includes practical training, as hands-on experience is crucial. Next, enroll in your chosen program. Prepare for an engaging learning experience. You'll study navigation, safety, and maritime law. Building a solid foundation is essential for your success. Don't forget to network with peers and instructors during this time. After completing your education, it's time for practical training. Most programs include internships or apprenticeships. Seek opportunities on vessels or in shipping companies. This experience will give you hands-on skills and valuable contacts in the industry. As you gain experience, consider obtaining necessary certifications. These may include STCW, Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping, and medical certificates. Check local regulations, as requirements may vary by country. Finally, start applying for jobs. Utilize job boards, recruitment agencies, and your network. Prepare a strong resume highlighting your education and experience. Prepare for interviews by researching the companies and practicing common questions. Africa's maritime career opportunities are vast and expanding. By following these steps, you can carve out a successful career in this field. Take note of the thriving industry and make your move now. If you're ready to dive into this exciting journey, start researching maritime schools today. Don't miss out on the chance to set sail towards a fantastic career.